What's up, Swaggy Swan family? Thanks for joining us today. Savannah and I, say hey, are going to show you another great product that is going to help you daily, parents, daily for your child's dry hair. Look at Savannah's very dry hair. This is another great go-to that you can pick up at a local store. Here's what you're going to need: some type of comb to help with detangling, and some water. A spray bottle with water is great. And this product here, the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Coconut Curling Cream. This product is great. It's the star of what we're going to be using today. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about this product, so stay tuned. It is perfect for daily moisturizing for your child's hair. It's cream based. And I'm going to give you a lot of the key specifics about this product. Are you ready? Get ready, take notes, let's get into it. So look at Savannah's hair. Savannah's hair is super dry. So if I forget to put any type of moisturizer in her hair at all, or sometimes if the weather, depending on how hot it is in our area, gets the best of her hair, I can send her into daycare and this is how she'll come back. Sometimes you can't help this. Or she'll wake up and in the morning her hair will look like this, and I need a good go-to. Several products that I can use that I've showed you guys, but I often like to give you a variety of things that are good go-tos for you to have in your cabinet. And a lot of people don't always have some of the items that I go through in different videos available. So it's good for me to start to review multiple products. So today I'm going to review this Cantu product that I just showed you. All right, so here's what we're going to do. This Cantu product that I showed you is best to be used when your child's hair is damp, although the instructions do indicate that you can use it just to re-moisturize styles already. So if your child already has, like, let's say twisted styles or something already done in their hair, you can use it in their hair to kind of try to revitalize it if you want to, but it is best to do this on hair that is damp. So as you can see, I'm taking this back section of Savannah's hair, I'm spraying it with some water. The water is lukewarm. I don't think it really matters per se, but I am using lukewarm water. I'm going to go ahead and section off her hair. Savannah has really thick, curly hair. Okay, so it's better for me to work in small sections. If your child is tender-headed, Savannah is not, but if your child is, it's best for you to work in small sections too and take your time. I'm using a scrunchie, not an elastic band, to section off the hair I'm not using. And I'm going to take this small section here and I'm going to reach for the product. So let me stop real quick and tell you about this product. It is cream based. Okay guys, so the back specifically tells you that the curling cream is designed to define, condition, and add manageability and reveal soft, elongated curls, okay, for your child's hair. It has shea butter in it. It's formulated without any harsh ingredients, meaning no silicones, no things such as sulfates or parabens, which is also great. It's best with damp hair and it can be used to re-moisture curls also. It's used for smoothing onto the hair, and you're supposed to use it at the root and work towards the ends also. I always start at the ends of Savannah's hair and work my ways up because that's the best way to detangle her hair type. You guys know that's the way I do things, so that's what you see me doing here. This product is extremely moisturizing. Again, if you notice that your child's hair is not a fan of liquid-based moisturizer, this is a great go-to if your child responds better to cream-based moisturizers. So I would say to definitely try and pick this up and keep it in your cabinet, in your supply of hair beauty products. This also works great for adults. It is not geared towards children only, but I have found where it works relatively great in Savannah's hair. As you can see, just look at that. It's elongating her curls exactly how it says it will. It's smoothing out her hair. That again is simply with just damp hair with water in the spray bottle. There's nothing special in the spray bottle, and me putting the product on there. Look at the difference. That moisturized her hair and it completely helped me detangle. And I want to show you again the close-up difference between the two sides. There's the left side that's moisturized with the product and the right side that's still very brittle very, very dry and longing for some moisturization. So you can see on the left side again, moisturize with the Cantu curling cream product, and on the right, very dry hair. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna continue with the small sections. I'm gonna break that section in half there, and I'm gonna put that up with the scrunchy band that I have there, and I'm gonna work on that small section on the bottom right and do the same exact thing. Just using the towel to cover her, because again, I am using the spray bottle and I don't want the back of her neck and shirt to get wet. So you would simply do the same thing on your child's hair. So just wet it a little bit so that it gets damp. You don't want to wet it to the point where it's saturated. That's not necessary. You're just, again, doing it so that it's damp, and you're applying the cream from the root all the way down to the ends, making sure you're getting a really good amount. You don't need to over apply product, okay? That's not necessary. There's a whole lot of product that comes in this jar, so you know, there's no need to just use a whole lot, okay? A little goes a long way here. So as you can see, again, her hair is really responding to this. And listen, I don't know what your children's hair type is, not that it really matters. As you can see, Savannah again has very, very thick, curly, kinky hair, and look at the root of her hair. It is completely smoothed out. This is no heat, no blow drying, no conditioner, nothing else except for this product and a little bit of water. So I'm gonna work through this head of hers, and this is how we're getting through this. And I want to say, because of the amount of hair that she has, this process is probably taking me, I'd say probably 15 to 20 minutes tops, because she does have a lot of hair and I'm really taking my time and I'm just working through nice and easily, tension free, calm, and this is a really good go-to, guys. Now I'm simply just going to continue and do the same thing for the remaining sections of her hair. I will say in the back of this product, it does mention using another gel product as a combination piece to this same moisturizer. I have not used that gel product that it's referencing. I've only just used this coconut Cantu curling cream moisturizer, so I don't know how the two products work combined. Maybe it works even better combined. I'm not exactly sure, but it does reference it, so maybe I will try that in Savannah's hair. I'm not entirely sure yet, but I've only used this as a standalone moisturizer. With cream-based moisturizers, I feel like when I use them in her hair and try to just leave her hair out in a regular, you know, like curly afro style, it doesn't really maintain the look that I prefer for her, and it kind of dries out quickly. Even still, I feel like the moisturizers only maintain moisture in her hair if they're cream based when I do them in a protective style, if that makes sense. So anytime I'm using a cream based moisturizer in Savannah's hair, in order to lock in the moisture and keep it sealed in her head, I always will go ahead and do a protective style afterwards. So I'm going to show you still what her hair looks like this after I add the cream-based moisturizer. So her hair is definitely moisturized. It's no longer brittle and dry. She's happy, as you can see. I'm very happy and satisfied. But because it is the summertime and I know that the hair, weather, everything is just going to take advantage of my child's hair, I'm going to go ahead and to lock that moisture in, I'm going to go ahead and just put in a simple style. So that can mean anything. So if your child is tender-headed, a simple ponytail or one up, one down style, just anything to keep the hair maintained and locked in so it doesn't tangle or have the chance to get hit by the weather, whatever climate you're in. Keep those things in mind, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put her hair in one low ponytail to the back, and you can see how smooth the hair is, and that's what I want to maintain. I want to maintain and lock in that moisture, so again the hair does not have a chance to tangle. I'm going to take that scrunchie, again not a rubber band because you don't want to tear your child's hair out or have any breakage, and I'm going to wrap that around a couple of times there and create a non-stress, non-tension ponytail in the back. And look how smooth her hair is, again in comparison to the beginning where we started, by using this curling cream. And I'm going to create a little front ponytail there, and smoothing things all around. And I'm going to put that ponytail to the top, just grabbing her flyaways in the front there. I'm not using any gel, and her hair is nice and smooth and moisturized, and you can see it glistening. And I'm going to take another one of those scrunchies is what I call them. What do y'all call them? I call them scrunchies. I'm going to use a little scrunchie band. Put that one in the front, and she's pretty much going to be good. And to me, that's considered a good, easy, simple protective style that helps lock in that moisture that you've created. And the best thing about that is it's easy to take out at the end of the day and just recreate the next day in the morning. So that's the goal, to lock in that moisture so their hair isn't brittle, dry, crazy looking, and something that you can just re-moisturize so your child is looking good. So that completes the look. That completes the review of this Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Go ahead, give it a try. Let me know how it goes. Hopefully you can add this to your list of products or cream-based moisturizer to help your child out, or a daily moisturizer to get rid of dry hair. Thanks for watching, guys. We love you so much. Hit me up. Let me know if there's any other products that you guys want me to look into and try that you may have seen and aren't sure about purchasing or giving a try. And don't forget to hit that like button. Love you lots, guys. Take care.